Another unique feature on Bruderer high-performance automatic punching presses is the ram guide system at strip level. For design reasons, there is always off-center load due to the cutting, coining and bending stations in the stamping dies. Furthermore, the initial stamping of the raw material inevitably produces an off-center load on the ram. The tilting point of the ram always lies in the diagonals of all ram guides. If this tilting point is not on the strip level, it is impossible to prevent the punch from moving. Consequently, the cutting punch is subject to increased wear, not to mention the increased possibility of broken punches. The benefits of Bruderer's guide system with its multiple ram support at strip level are self-evident. Minimum wear of cutting punches and dies, no broken punches, and no interruptions to production due to regrinding operations. All these guarantee maximum tool life.